Hi everyone, and welcome to a High Value Couponer. So today I am here with the Kroger couponing deals for September 4th through the 17th. We have a 5X digital coupon event going on. There are 5 freebies. So really some great deals right now with these digitals and rebates, and there's lots of great stuff. So there will be a printable breakdown down in the description box below. As always, it's a Google Doc, so that's always fun. And yeah, that's kind of the gist of that. These 5X events, I know it's going to get a lot of people tripped up. You're going to be coming at me. Like my store said, you can't use a manufacturer coupon with a 5X digital coupon, or the website, you found some article or something. All I do is I went to Kroger Corporate and I talked to them about this, and they told me, yes, you absolutely can combine a store coupon with a manufacturer's coupon. I talked to the district manager of the Columbus district, which is like most of Ohio, and she gave it in writing, and I actually showed that to you guys. So if you want to see that, I'll have the link to that in the description box below. It's called Let's Chat About 5X Digital Coupons. So go watch that if you have any confusion. And also Kroger Cash Back. I know I'm going to get like 40 comments about that. I'll have those down in the description as well. You can watch that tutorial. And I do apologize if it sounds kind of muffled. I'm actually sitting in the car in between classes, so I wanted to get this out to you guys. Wednesdays are a really, really, really busy day now, so yeah, but still want to do my videos. And then also, just want to quickly say a golden rule: do unto others as you want done unto you. Or, another really good one is, if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say it at all. And that's what I'm going at these comments. Before you type a comment to me, please just reread it back and think about what message you're sending to me. Hopefully, a lot of you guys don't mean what you're saying, but I've just been getting some really off-the-wall stuff lately. And I don't know if you thought it was hurtful, but honestly, if you're even questioning if it was hurtful, it probably was. So please just keep that in mind before making a comment. I read it, and a lot of them do hurt my feelings, but the best thing I've just learned to do this morning, I just was tired of it. I kept looking at it, and I actually made a couple of comments back, but I deleted them because I don't want to be that kind of person. So I actually just deleted the rude comments as a whole. And if that happens, if I keep getting rude comments, I'm just going to delete them. I'm not going to waste my time on it any longer. So yeah, I'd like to urge you, before you comment, please think about what you're saying. So yeah, I'm going to let you guys get on this video. I actually filmed this intro at the end of the video. I filmed everything else, and I got to go to class. I have 0 minutes to get in there now. So yeah, enjoy the video. Okay, so for the Frosted Flakes, I want to thank Midnight Saver for this deal. This is an amazing deal. They are $1.25 each at Kroger. There is a digital coupon for $1.50 off of any 2 Kellogg cereals. Under qualifying items, it says these do qualify. So you'll pay out of your pocket $1. However, Shopkick has a rebate up to get 300 kicks back if you buy just one. It is better to get 2 because of that digital coupon. So you're going to pay $1, you get $1.20 back on Shopkick, making it a 20-cent moneymaker for the 2. And if you've not signed up for Shopkick, my code is always down in the description box below. Helps me out when you guys sign up using that code, so please do that if you haven't already signed up. Okay, so the Susies Muffins are $1.99. At my store, these are over in the organic section in the freezer. Ibotta has $1.99 on 2 Ibotta rebate, as well as $1.99 on 2 Kroger Cash Back rebate, making your net price 2 of these for totally free. Awesome. If you don't know what Kroger Cash Back is, please don't ask in the comments over and over again. I will have a video link if you click the little eye in the top right corner right now, or check out the description box. There's a whole entire tutorial. The only new thing about that is you're no longer allowed to use manufacturer coupons with it, but everything else you still can do. So yeah, but the Rethink Juice is 2 for $7. Ibotta has $3.50 back on 2, and then Kroger Cash Back has $3.50 back on 2, making your net price totally free. Now, it has to be the ones that say juice. It cannot be the one that says water, because the water one, it is cheaper, but it doesn't qualify for the rebate. So make sure to get the juice. Okay, so I'm currently in the car. I hate to do this, but I'm going to have to turn the air back on. I know it's annoying. I'll turn it down to a lower speed. I know it's annoying, but it is so hot. I can't, not have it. So the Crest Toothpaste is $2.99. There's a $1 Kroger 5 times digital coupon. Now, as I've explained over and over, this is a store coupon, so you may stack it with a manufacturer's coupon if you would like. You are allowed to per corporate because it rings up as an SC. Now, the rest of the digital coupons are just regular manufacturer coupons, so you're not allowed to stack with those. But if it is a 5X digital, it means it's a store coupon, therefore you can stack. So use your $1 Kroger 5X digital, plus you can use a $2 coupon from this month's P&G, making your net price totally free, which is amazing. So one more awesome freebie, the Hormone Natural Choice. They're $1.99. There is a 50 cents 5 times digital coupon you guys can load to your card. So it makes the net price $1.49. Then Ibotta has a $1.50 rebate, making your net price 100% free, which is an awesome deal. This is a really nice deal on the Stonyfield snack packs. They're $1.25. There's a $1.80 on 2 Ibotta rebate, making your net price 70 cents for 2 or 35 cents each. These are regularly $2.29, so it's a good deal because it has graham crackers and yogurt, which I never would have thought as being a combination, but whatever. Let me know in the comments below if you like yogurt. What is your favorite yogurt flavor? What's your favorite flavor? That will be today's mid-video poll question. The Celestial Seasonings tea is $2.49 at Kroger. Ibotta has a $1 rebate, as well as Kroger Cashback has a $1 rebate to submit for both of those and get these for 49 cents. Garnier Fructis this week is on sale 2 for $5. There is a $4 off 2 coupon from the $8.25 retail me nut you guys can apply, making your net price only 50 cents. Spray and wash is $2.99. Use the $1 Kroger 5X digital store coupon that you guys can load to your Kroger Plus card. Plus, you can use a dollar manufacturer's coupon from the 728 Smart Stores, making your net price 99 cents. So I had a really super nice thumbnail here. I had the like 4 other items on here that are all 99 cents as digitals, but it somehow didn't save on my computer. So I'm just going to read off to you guys what I saw that was good. So the Clorox Toilet Bowl Cleaner, Minute Rice, Pringles, Kool-Aid, and Kraft Barbecue Sauce are all 99 cents after the 5X digitals. So that's really good prices for all those, honestly. Pringles and Kool-Aid, jammers, and all that stuff. So definitely go for those deals. And remember, a lot of those are participating items on Fetch Rewards. If you haven't signed up for Fetch Rewards, get Fetch. We'll both get 2,000 points right now, so you might as well sign up. Last but not least, the Tide and Gain Pods, Flings, whatever, are $5.99 this week. There's a $2 5X digital you guys can load to your Kroger Plus card. You can stack it with a $2 manufacturer coupon from this month's P&G, making your net price $1.99. Not the best, but I don't know. If you're loyal to those brands, not so bad. So, yeah, that's all I have for now. I know it's a kind of a slower week at Kroger, but whatever, I guess. This is sales for 2 weeks, but there are 5 freebies. You're going to want to go get yourself some free stuff. So, yep, that's all that I have, and thanks for watching.